Google Cloud Run makes it easy to run your containerized applications. In this video, you'll see how to deploy a container image to Cloud Run. We'll start here in the Cloud console for Cloud Run. First, we'll click Deploy Container and select Service. For the image, I'll pick a container image that is very popular called NGINX. This is a container image in the Docker Hub. I'll leave the service name as NGINX for this demo. And now I'll choose a region that is closest to me, which is US West 2. I'll uncheck IAM for authentication since we want a public endpoint. There are two types of pricing options. We're going to use the default, which is request-based billing. With this billing type, you pay for container instance time, which includes the allocated CPU and memory. And with Cloud Run, there is no charge for idle instances. Idle instances are those that are not receiving any requests. This can be very cost efficient. For more details, please refer to the pricing page. I can configure the port that Cloud Run sends requests to. And for NGINX, it's expecting requests to be sent to port 80. Now I am all set, and I will click Create. Now Cloud Run will pull my image in the background, import it into Cloud Run, and create the Cloud Run service for me. Once the revision is created, Cloud Run will start one container instance and ping the port to see if it is ready to receive requests. Then when it is ready, the checkboxes will all turn green to show you that you have a working NGINX. Now I'll click on the link, and here we see, Welcome to NGINX. As you saw in the demo, I was able to deploy NGINX very quickly with just a few clicks. Before Cloud Run, I might have had to spend time configuring NGINX, auto-scaling, load balancing, HTTPS endpoints, and so forth. And Cloud Run integrates with Cloud Load Balancer in case you do want to have that configurability. To get started with deploying containers to Cloud Run, please check out the following quick starts in our documentation. Thank you for watching this video.